Hello guys, good morning. How are you? Here I am again. Welcome to the channel of Malunggay King. Guys, I would like to introduce to you one of our product. We call this Sophia Glycerin Soap and Sophia Whitening Soap. So, this is not an ordinary soap, guys. This is a very special soap because all the ingredients that we use to have this soap is a very special ingredients. One, guys, is glycerin, and the other one is castor oil, and the most important, guys, to make this solid is ethyl alcohol or alcohol. So this is very important nowadays because it is a good cleansing for our body, no? Cleansing for our hands, cleansing for our face, in order to avoid, to prevent, no, to prevent the virus, guys, no? What we call is the coronavirus, no? Maganda po itong gamitin, guys, panghugas ng kamay, pampaligo, no? Bago ka matulog, panglinis ng mukha, lalo-lalo na, guys, itong mga kaibigan natin ngayon na heavy users of gadget and computers. So para hindi po masira yung mga mata nyo, guys, gamitin nyo ang glycerin soap. Ito po, dahil ito po ay konti lang na tubig ang kailangan, guys, no? Ito po siya. So pag hinugas nyo yan sa kamay nyo, sa buong katawan nyo, economically, guys, makatipid po kayo dito, no? Because you need a little water in order to rinse, no? Your face, your hands, your body. So ito po siya, guys, a little bit fluffy, no? Transparent, makita po ang kabila, malambot. Pero pag nabasa po ito, guys, lalo siyang titigas, no? Matagal po ito malusaw. So ito po, from this black, we cut it off para po magkasya sa box niya. Ito na po yon. So pag magamit kayo nito, guys, hatiin nyo lang to sa 3 para po ekonomiya, hindi po magastos. Hindi tulad po ng ibang soap na pag nabasa na, lalambot na po agad. So this is our product, guys, no? If you know some information about this, you can contact us 0905-366-8280. If you want to try it, guys, you can contact also the same number. Look for Jojo Parcon. So Sophia Glycerin Soap and Sophia Moisturizing Soap. Thank you very much. See you.